to show you our 3D printed NuWo toys. We're going to start by showing you our animals, and then we will also show you some accessories we have to go with them. So the first we have is our farm dog. It has movable ears, head, movable legs and feet.
The neck is also movable.
Yes, the neck is movable and the tail. Now, all of our animals' body parts are all movable and similar in the same way. Yep, this is a pink one of the same farm dog.
Upside down so they can see the bottom part of it. Right. Okay.
Again, it has the same similar movable parts. The neck and the head and the ears can droop down. All right, and then
we have the skiing giraffe on the ice. Anyway, his head can move too, so can his legs.
Next, we have our elephant, which his legs can move, and her feet can move, and the tail can move, and the ears can flip-flop and go up and down, and the tails can move, and the trunk can move.
Yeah, the pink elephant, and then show them the white elephant as well. The white elephant, and then the brown elephant.
Next, we have the rhino. He can move his.
Yeah, the African rhino.
He can move his feet, and he can move his neck and his tail.
Okay.
Next, we have the puppies.
We have the puppy. That's it.
And red and black puppy.
Another farm dog.
Colorful.
This one is another color of the puppies.
And another rhino. Another bunny.
Another puppy or dog.
Another giraffe. And it's pink and orange.
And another dog, just pink and white. Another dog that's pink and green.
And another dog that's brown and white. I mean black and white. And a red and blue puppy. Then a blue and white puppy.
All right.
And then we have NuWo stackable trees and fences. You can use to create your own NuWo worlds. This is the tree. You know, you can stack it to make it taller, and you can rotate the tree to make it more defined as you wish. As I previously mentioned, the fence is stackable. You can stack them up to make taller structures. So the tree can stand by itself, or you can place it on a stand right there. And then here's the elephants on the other side. And there's another pink giraffe coming. So all of these are on our website, 7h3.com/NuWo. If you come visit, you will see all the varieties of the 3D printed toys that we have out there. Thanks for watching, and until next time.